Hello there, this is Derek and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you some Netflix tips, tricks and hacks you need to know in 2021. So if you're a fan of movies and you really like Netflix, and then you need to try all these things I'm about showing you guys. So first of all, when you open your Netflix like this, you're going to see the movies right here, and this can be switched or changed to any other country, and you'll be able to watch other TV shows or series that are not existing in your location at the moment. So before you're going to be able to do that, what you have to do is you go to your Play Store or App Store, being it Android or iOS, and then you type in Windscribe, and then you download this VPN, right? So when you're done downloading, you open it and you can change it to anywhere you feel like you want to change it. And I just want to share with you which locations do work when you open this VPN. So when I click on US Central like this, you see the ones with the stars by them. Those are the premium picks, and you cannot use that one unless you are willing to pay for the premium version of this app. But if you want to get it for free, then you need to click the one with the love by them. So right now, I'm just gonna switch my location of my Netflix to the United Kingdom. That is the best location right now. So I'm just gonna hit on it like this, and after it's done, I'm going to show you what is going to be on the trending pages of the United Kingdom's Netflix. So I'm going to open my Netflix like this, and y'all going to see right away. This is something very cool you guys need to try. So when I hit on the movies like this, and then we wait for it to load, and then I scroll down, you're going to see the movies that are trending or that are top movies in United Kingdom today. So you can see next, Mean Girls, and then Dig, and Miss Bala, and then Despicable Me. These are the top 10 movies you will find when you go to the United Kingdom. It will be different when you switch to the United States. It will be different when you switch to Canada or anywhere else. So let me just try somewhere else, somewhere different, probably maybe the United States. Let me hit on Atlanta. And you guys are going to see what I'm showing you is very, very cool. So you can just switch in between the countries and then watch some series and then movies, because sometimes some movies don't really appear in the location you find yourself, but when you switch to a country where you think maybe the TV series or the movie is from, you are going to be able to just watch that movie for free and with no problem. So when I scroll down like this, I'm going to see the movies that are trending in the United States. You see Despicable Me and all were trending in the United Kingdom, but here when you come here, it's Finding Ohana and then Dig. In the United Kingdom, Dig was the third one. We never saw Below Zero in the United Kingdom, but you can see we are not seeing Despicable Me here even. So these are some cool tips you guys need to try out, and trust me, maybe if you feel like you want to also get your TV series, you can still hit on the TV shows, and you're going to check through and you see the TV shows that are trending in the United States right here. So you see, and when you go to the United Kingdom, it's going to be different. So another cool thing I want to share with you guys too is maybe if you want to search for a movie that is not really in the country. So let's say it's SpongeBob, which we cannot find in the United States. We search for SpongeBob, we are not going to find it in the United States. But when we change our VPN to Canada and then we scroll down, we are still going to see the top 10 movies that are found in Canada. You see, Finding Ohana was in the United States as number 1 and is in number 3 in Canada. So that is one cool thing, and we can search for SpongeBob and we are going to see SpongeBob right here in Canada, but we can never find SpongeBob in the United States. So these are the tips and tricks you guys really need to know, and you can just try them out anytime, being it on Android or iOS, and then watch free TV shows and free movies on Netflix anytime, any day. So if you like this, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Share to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.